saying you can replace your 9 to 5, make money online, you can become a boss babe, you can build your business, you can build your brand, but no one is showing you the step-by-step guide. Being an Amazon affiliate associate, you can promote products from Amazon and make money from that. Now guys, remember there's 8 billion people around the world and you guys can tap into that market and promote these products. Now let's think about it. If you have a product where you are getting $5 and you promote around the world and people buy that product, if we get just 1,000 out of the 8 billion people who buy that product, how much money can you make? Now let's do the calculation. $5 times 1,000 people, how much money have you made? So if your target on a monthly base is to promote to 1,000 people, you have covered your salary, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote any project, any affiliate, any product online using this strategy that I use. So you can copy my strategy. I will show you step by step how I do it, and the only thing that you will have to replace is that affiliate link, or is that referral link, or is that product. So guys, without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to Amazon and select the product that you want to promote. And for me, I am going to search for books, and with those books, I am going to sell a book. So you can select any product that you want. So when it gives you a list of all the books, look for bestsellers, guys, or even new ones, and just go through this list and see the one that you want. So do remember, you don't need to necessarily sell the book. You can sell anything that you think people will buy. So I am going to select this Elon Musk book because I think I like the picture as well. And then you'll see the commissions, you'll see the money that is being charged to buy the book, and then you will see how much money you are going to make as well. And then the next thing, you copy the link, guys, because this is the website link where you got the book, and then you go to Amazon Associate, and when you get here, you click product linking, and then you say link to a page, and then when you click there, it will take you to another page where you'll be able to post or paste this link. So scroll down so you can see where to paste. So you paste it there, and then after pasting it, and then you give it a name, guys, so that you can know which product, and then you click get HTML, and then you can actually preview this and see how this page will look for a customer. And this is just for you to confirm, and then you copy the link as well, just to check, guys, and validate that it is linking to your Amazon ID. So once you do a link checker, just to confirm that it is the right link, people can view it, and also it does connect to your link. So as you can see, there's LindyShirries in the link, so it is connecting fine. So now that we are done with this, we move and go paste that link somewhere. You can post it on your notepad, and I'm posting it under my pages and my notes. So I'm going back to Amazon, and then I have to go get description of what information this book is giving. So we're just going to copy everything so that we do not need to come back here, and I copy this as well to my notes. And then the next thing that I need, guys, can you see how long this link is? So I'm just going to try and make it short by creating a landing page. So I'll go to system.io, and then after going there, I click funnels because I'm going to create a funnel. And then when you get to funnels, then you click create. And then after clicking create, you give your funnel a name. So I'm going to say Elon Musk so that I know which funnel I'm talking about. So I go to custom, and then I go to the currency. I look for South African rands since I am in South Africa. So you can just look for whatever currency. If your currency is not here, select dollars. And then the next thing, you click create. So now we are going to edit this funnel and add a step, guys. So step is what gives an action of what you want to do. Do you want to get emails? Do you want people to click a button and buy this book? So I'm just going to click a squeeze page. So I'm select that one. So a lot of actions you can do, but I've selected squeeze page. So when you get to this part, you do need to select a website template. So I'm just going to select one, and I'm going to delete everything because I do not want to use what they are giving me. So do remember that system.io, it is a paid membership, so you can only create 3 funnels if you're going to do it for free. So I've deleted everything. I add a title, and I'm also going to, actually I've added the text and the title. The next thing I'm going to add is the picture, and then at the bottom a button, guys. So a button is where I'm going to allow people to click and connect to my Amazon product. So the next thing I'm going to look for is the button. You scroll down and you will see an action for button, and then you will just select that one. And then at the bottom you see I've added. So now I'm going to edit everything. I'm going to edit everything, guys. So now I'm going to edit everything and add Elon Musk and add more information. Remember the information that we copied from Amazon? I'm going to copy that, and then you just make it big enough for people to see. Change the color if you want. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy that information you copied from there, and I'm going to add the picture as well. And I already have the picture, I already added the information. And then next thing I'm going to change is the button at the bottom. So you go to the bottom, you edit the button. So when you click it, it will show you information. So you just click open URL and go to your link, the one from Amazon, and copy it. Remember, it's long, guys, so you're going to paste it here and make it short, and then just say it must open a new tab when a person clicks. So you're just going to change according to your liking, and then click the button because it does say click here, and then you want to say buy book, and then you just go and look for something as a subheading, just to make sure that people can get a glimpse of what your book is all about by just looking at your page. So I'm just going to change that, and then change the font and change the capital letters as well to make it look nice. And then I'm going to also make it bigger the way I want to. So you just click the button, and then you click the font, and then you keep adding it until you are happy with it. Save the changes, and if you want to view how your page is looking, so can you see it looking like this? This is not the page you're going to promote, guys. So I don't like the space between the picture, and so I'm just going to add more information. So also I'm going to increase the button and make sure that it looks nice. And then I go and add as well, do changes the way I want it, and then check again. I still don't like it, guys. I'm going to change it again. The space between the words and the picture I don't like, guys. So I'm going to change that as well to make sure. So I'm going to rename this again because it took me there. It doesn't necessarily happen like that. And then I'm going to save and edit the page again. So I'm going to paste my link and see how it looks again, but it doesn't look nice, guys. So I'm going to change and add another space text. So it's just blank text so that it creates the space. And then the next thing I'm going to change is my button. Guys, I do not like this color, so I'm going to change this color and make sure it looks similar to Elon Musk's picture. And then I'm going to save again and then refresh the page. You see now it's looking much better, guys. So now you can change it the way you want and have everything right. So because I wanted it to look nice, the subheading, I didn't like the space, so I'm just going to fix that a bit and make sure that the space between that Y is looking better. So now I am 100% happy with my pictures and with my landing page. So now this is what I have, and the price as well. So I'm just going to copy this link and put it somewhere. So this is the final link we're going to promote. So I go to my WhatsApp. That's the first place I'm going to promote this. So I'm going to create a template, guys. So I went and selected an Instagram template, removed everything, because I do want people, because if I post a link only without saying anything, without showing what the book, what their link is all about. So I'm just going to upload that picture again, create a poster sort of like, guys. So you make it nice the way you want it. So I'm just going to do it like this and change the color at the back just to create some fun way of looking at a picture. So I can change the background. I can just add a buy book. So initially I thought of green, and then I thought, no man, green doesn't look nice. It doesn't blend well. It's not striking. And then I tried to change the color. It didn't work that much. It still didn't look nice. So I went for another buy button, a red one. And then this one is more striking and inviting. And then I went and changed the background as well, but the red was just a bit too much. So I think this one is looking okay. But remember guys, you can do it the way you want it, and then you can just export this when you are happy. Change whatever you want. So I've changed this by now to make sure that the edges have some sort of color. And then the next thing, I'm downloading this, so to keep it on my computer. The next thing that you do, you go to ChatGPT, guys. If you see me doing this, is because my sensors are not. The next thing, you go to ChatGPT and ask that it gives you social media post that you are going to use. And then with that, you copy and select the right one. I've selected 2. You can even say go to more. And then I'm going to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you do not have a YouTube channel, you can create a YouTube channel. Under community, you select the picture that you want. And then the next thing, you go and select the poster that we created on Canva. And you just paste the words. And then remember guys, the most important thing is to add your link that connects to your landing page so that you can make money, because it's pointless posting this and then you do not have this link added as well. So you just continue adding the link, and then the next thing, adding the link, you just fix it the way you want to fix it. And then I wanted an emoji to show like a point down arrow, but then since I couldn't find it, I just typed click below to buy. And then that's how I'm directing people to click. And then the next thing, I am happy with this. I'm just going to copy this because I'm going to post this in several places. So I am happy on YouTube. I've just posted. The next place I'm going, you can view your post. The next thing, I'm going to go to my Facebook, go to my page, and then select the same photo as well, post the same thing. And yeah, guys, that's all I'm going to do now going forward. And then I'm doing the same thing as well. Continue and then go to different pages. I've got different pages. You can create these pages. There is a video that shows you how to create these pages. And guys, I'm also going to add these links. If you want to promote Live Good, you can join with $50. If you want to promote Amazon, you can just sign up. If you want to promote any project, you can promote using this. So I'm going to do the same thing now. I'm going to even groups, guys. So now this is still a page that I'm promoting to. So now you understand that we are dealing with different people. Some people might like books, some people might like affiliate marketing, some people might like knowledge, some people might like just clothes. So we are dealing with a lot of people. So now I'm on Pinterest, guys. I've created a pin. I went and copied the link, and then I'm just going to add the link under there. And then the next thing, I'm going to remove some words and give it a title. So I'll go back and check a word that explains this post on Pinterest, and then I'll use that as my title, something that will invite people, and who knows, maybe someone will click and buy. So can you see that my description is long? So I'm just going to change that, remove unnecessary information and make it shorter. And then when I click post, I am going to give this to my community, to people who are there, and even new people who are going to connect. They'll be able to actually buy this book. So the next thing, I'm going to click add my link. As I said, I can remove the link there to make sure. And then after, I'm posting this pin. So this is on Pinterest, guys, and I do have a video to show you. So when people click there, I can buy. So I save the same pin to many boards. So Pinterest work with boards. It's like a category of information. You can join other people's boards and do the same thing. So the next place I'm going to post is my WhatsApp group. Same thing, the same picture, but then now I'm posting to my WhatsApp group. So if someone there is interested in buying, they can buy. So you'll never know. Don't even say you know people, you don't. So now I'm going to my Facebook groups as well. I am going to select groups, and then I am going to post on there. And then you select the groups right at the top, and then you'll see your groups that you manage, and do the same thing as well. If you do not have a Facebook group, create now, guys. I know it starts small, but then it does grow as you post, as you learn. So just keep creating this, because you will never know at what point your group will be more. So the next thing that we're going to do, I'm going to Twitter now. So I've selected the picture and then I've selected the information, but Twitter doesn't allow many lot of words. So now I'm going to remove whatever I do not want to add. But guys, whatever you remove, do not remove your affiliate link. So I am on Twitter now. Now I go to communities, guys. There's so many groups with communities. I just select. Some of these groups you have to request for approval. Some of these sorry guys, some of these you have to post, and then they will approve your post. So now I'm going to I'm going to Marketplace. So now I'm going to Marketplace, and I am going to select the same thing, create a listing on Facebook Marketplace, give it a price. Even though this Marketplace, whenever I get an inbox, then I would just send the person a link, because there is no way to add a link. But there are some which I'll just have to go into detail and give it a description, and then maybe I'll be able to add a link. So I just need to research. So I will give it a price and just estimate, but that's not the correct price. You can go to Amazon and give it a price, and then the next thing, you are ready to post as well and publish on Marketplace Facebook. So can you see, guys, how many places I've posted this book? I've posted in many places. Thank you guys for watching. Just find this Cura as well. There's so many social media platforms.